Hello, everyone. Welcome to Ifixx Electronics SXM. Here we have a Redmi phone. Working perfectly, charging good, but the power switch is not working. We'll open the phone and check what is exact issue in the phone. Test if the switch has communication. During test, we could not find the communication. Remove switch. It may need switch replacement. After removing switch, we see the flex is broken. Scratch upper layer to expose tracks. It's easy to replace the whole assembly, but in our market Redmi phone are very few.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to.
Keeping each parts is very expensive and customer can't wait for long. We can repair this flex like new.
perfect 10? What does perfect even mean? Is there even such a thing? Oh, can we switch up all the rules and imagine a utopia?
After track repair, apply UV glue.
Expectations weigh me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm gonna live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, whoa. And if I say it enough, it gets ingrained in my head, and I start to see. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Cure UV glue with UV light.
Whoa. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. 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 Oh, yeah, I've discussed it with myself, and I'm disgusted with the way we're told to have a certain face, a certain weight, because we aren't pixels on a screen. No, we're human, we breathe. Every single thing we see curated, it's overrated. These expectations, they keep weighing me down. My heart is begging me to get the hell out of my head. I'm trying to live inside the upside down for a minute and pretend. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
For better strength, use the paper tape.
It gets ingrained in my head, and I start to think. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
You can see crack in the frame.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa, honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10.
Install flex and test repairing done.
Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Honey, I'm a perfect 10. Whoa.
On my own, but I don't know why.
Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Have a great time.
But you don't realize I won't look back when you're around. I won't think twice when you're gone.